It's 11:30 on February 15th. This is just a ride back from the customer and looking at damage on the car. Let's see what has occurred. That wasn't there before. So going round the back. Car's filthy. We'll clean it off before we go any further, but there's quite a few stone chips on the car that weren't there before. The other thing to mention is that yesterday, the 14th, stone chips everywhere. The customer refused to give the key to drivers that had been sent to collect the car because he said the cam chain is snapped. But if the cam chain snapped, the engine won't run, will it? So that little jaunt yesterday cost me 150 quid because the customer refused to give the key to the driver. So let's see. Well, that engine sounds pretty sweet to me. It's certainly not snapped, has it? Let's have a look under the bonnet of this snapped cam chain car. The water level's good. Vacuum pump is working. There's no knock. Sounds good to me. It is now 17th of February at 11:16. This is OU08MJO and it is now being cleaned so that we can do a proper inspection. And I think what I'm seeing is an excess of stone chips. There's no otherwise body damage that I can see. The car did have some stone chips when it went out, but nothing quite as like as this. I mean, we wouldn't let a car go out with quite so this. We would have resprayed this bumper had it been like this when it went out. So it seems to me, I don't know how you get some stone chips in such a short time, but there's another one. So that wouldn't have gone out like that. Scratches around here. So that's the first observation. Wheels are okay. It looks to me like the doors are okay. There's a stone chip there. Quite significant stone chipping around here. There's a scratch down this door. Sorry, the quarter panel, not the door, behind the door. Another scratch there. Wheel looks in good condition. Coming around the back. Damage to the bumper. I think that's about it. Coming along this way, it's just dirt. There's nothing significant on the side that I can see. The wheel is okay. Again, scratches and stone chips that weren't there at sale. Coming to the front. Yeah, the wheel's good. Now, the other thing, scratches on the door mirror there. On the inside, this has been mal-handled, roughly handled, stuck. I don't know, that was working fine before sale. Interior-wise, doesn't look too bad. There's no smell. I'd say that's okay. I've yet to find the documents on the car. Let's open the boot. Okay, see, that's all present. And coming passenger side, All right, documents appear to be here. That's good. Okay, so I think that's it. We're looking at quite a few stone chips. I have to blow that bumper over, and possibly the bonnet now, to get it showroom condition again. And then it's the shade inside the sunroof that is now damaged. As for the engine problems, I very much dispute the RAC's findings. As shown earlier, the engine runs, the brakes work, the vacuum pumps are fine. There is a pipe hanging down. Can't really see it at the moment, but I observed that yesterday and that wasn't there before, so that's... I just think the car's been ragged. I think the guy has just driven like he stole it, hence all the stone chips and so on. But that's where we are. To mention, I'm just going to charge the battery because the battery's low. The car's been sitting here all morning. There's no oil leaks. So, again, we have been misled, in my view, by the RAC report.